Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really easy layered card for you. This is my Hello Summer layered card. Isn't that so fun? I love how the whole scene layers together. You've got the sun there in the corner, the palm tree there in the corner. That fun sentiment is cut out with all the different layers. There's a spot inside for your message. And of course I include an envelope as well. This one is so fun to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. So let's get our materials ready and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project was part of Summer Craft Party 2023. To get the cut file for this project, you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass at thebeardedhousewife.com/SCP23. If you're interested in only this project, you can purchase the individual cut file in my shop. I have links to both options in the description box below. No matter which option you choose, you'll want to make sure you download the cut file, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image, and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that our design has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do some converting to some of the score lines, so go ahead and scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope, highlight the score line, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. Do the same thing for the card base. Once those are all complete, we can go ahead and click Make It. You'll see the different mats for this card. Click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that we're going to do is layer up the front cover panel. I'm going to start with the light blue, then this darker bluish green, the light green, the yellow, and then the darker blue. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help show you how to layer all these pieces together, so I will refer you to that. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I get this all put together, and I'll show you what it looks like afterward. And there is our front cover panel. Isn't that so cool? I'll set that to the side. We can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel together. And I'll set that to the side. We can take our card base and go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Go ahead and open up that card base, and then we can add our messaging panel to the inside of the card. And we can add our front cover panel to the front of the card. And our card is all set. Isn't that so cool? I'm going to set that to the side so we can go ahead and work on the envelope. So for the envelope, we're just going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Add your glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip that inlay over and add that over the flap on the envelope. Spin the envelope around. Go ahead and fold the side flaps in. Because this is a thicker design on the front cover panel, you can always add it to the envelope. Add your glue along the bottom edge of those side flaps, and then push up with your thumbs and press. And then that forms our envelope. Such a fun card. Don't you just love layered cards? How everything stacks together to form that front cover panel is so cool. If you make this project, I hope that you share it with me. Whether that be through our Facebook group, our member group, or through email, I would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye!